Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious turkey chili. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of lean ground turkey, 1 large onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Also, grab 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 2 cans of your favorite beans, and a good quality chili seasoning packet. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's start cooking. In a large pot or Dutch oven, brown your 1 pound of ground turkey over medium-high heat. Break it up with a spoon as it cooks. Once it's no longer pink, drain any excess fat to keep your chili lean. Then, add your chopped onion and garlic to the same pot, sautéing them until they are softened and fragrant, which usually takes about 5 minutes. It's time to build those rich chili flavors. Add your 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 2 cans of beans rinsed and drained, and the chili seasoning packet to the pot. Pour in 1 cup of chicken broth to achieve the perfect consistency. Stir everything together well, then bring it to a gentle simmer. Cover and let it cook for at least 30 minutes or even longer for the best taste. Your delicious turkey chili is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and top with your favorite garnishes like shredded cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or fresh cilantro. It pairs wonderfully with warm cornbread or crunchy crackers. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your everyday. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.